Good morning, dear children. Dear children, this is your English class. And before that, today's date is 10th of November 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Dear children, today we are going to start our new lesson number 9 and the lesson name is The Naughty Monkey. In the story, many monkeys are there, but in that group, one baby monkey was in the story, and this baby monkey is very naughty. He is not obeying the order of his parents and he is not listening to his mother. And lastly, what happened? You ready to listen? Lastly, क्या होता है स्टोरी में आपने सुनना है. एंड डियर चिल्ड्रन, एवरी स्टोरी, एवरी लेसन has one good moral, has one very interesting moral, and you have to obey, you have to behave that उस moral पे आपने चलना है in life. Okay, so ready to watch, ready to listen the story, and the story name is The Naughty Monkey.
Let's listen a story.
Naughty Monsey. There was a group of monkeys. The youngest one was very naughty. His name was Monsey. One day, the monkeys saw a woodcutter cutting the bark of a tree. When he stopped for lunch, he carefully placed the sharp axe in a corner. When he turned away, Monsey took the heavy axe. He climbed up a tree and started cutting a branch of the tree. An old monkey told Monsey to keep the axe away, but the naughty monkey kept on cutting the branch till it broke. Monsey and the branch fell hard on the ground. Monsey was hurt and decided to listen to the elders.
Do you know the moral of the story? Obey your elders.
Lesson number 9, The Naughty Monkey. Now I am going to tell you some new words. This is a saw. Saw means a metal tool for cutting wood, as you can see in this picture. Wedge. Wedge means a piece of wood, as you can see in this picture. As you can see in this picture, a first boy is pulling and a second boy is pushing. Shriek means to make a loud high cry, as you can see in this picture. The name of the lesson is The Naughty Monkey. It is about a small monkey who was very naughty.
Dear children, this is your new Oxford Modern English textbook of English. Take out your English book. Take out page number 73 and the lesson number 9, The Naughty Monkey. Now dear children, right here C.W. and today's date is 10th of November 2020. Right here date. Now dear children, ready to listen a story. Okay, now already I tell you there is a story of baby monkey and he is very naughty in the story. Now what happened? One day two men, men means why we use men, man क्यों नहीं use किया हमने? Because two men were sitting here. Men were working in the forest. They were cutting a huge log of wood. They were using a long saw. Dear children, huge means very big. Okay, log means a piece of big wood. Okay, and they were using a long saw means what? Saw means a tool. Okay, which we use for cutting a wood. This is a saw. Okay, SAW, saw. It's a tool for cutting the wood. Now dear children, they pulled and now swish, 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 swish. This is a sound of this when they start cutting the wood ना, उसमें से ऐसी आवाज आ रही थी. And what is the meaning of swish means what? The rapid hissing sound. Pull means what? They pulled and they pushed. Pull means moved something towards you, and push means what? Push means move something away from you. आगे पीछे करना पड़ता ना कटिंग के लिए. Okay. Now they pushed and they pulled. They made a deep cut in the wood. Deep means what? बहुत गहरा उन्होंने क्या किया? कट करते करते यहाँ तक आ गए वो. Then it was hard work. It was very hard work ना? Yes. The men were tired. बहुत थक गए थे वो सब करके. They stopped to rest. They put down their saw. In the cut, they put the wedge. What is the meaning of wedge, dear children? Wedge means a piece of wood. Now, dear children, after doing hard work of cutting the log of wood, they stopped to rest and they put the wedge. This is a wedge. Put the wedge in the deep cut of wood. The two men sat down to eat. A little later, they went to sleep. अब उन्होंने क्या किया? बहुत सारा वर्क होने के बाद में यहाँ तक कट किया है, इसीलिए वो वेज उसके वो डीप कट के अंदर रख दिया. और खाना खाने के बाद थोड़ा रेस्ट यानी थोड़ी उन्होंने नींद लेने के लिए वो गए. Soon some monkeys came there. थोड़ी देर के बाद में कुछ monkeys वहाँ पे आए. The troop of monkey, the group of monkey, they looked at the men. One baby monkey was very naughty. Naughty means bad behaving. बहुत ज़्यादा शरारती, किसी की सुनते ही नहीं ना, उसे हम कहते हैं naughty. He ran to the log. He jumped and he danced on the top of it. सुनता तो था ही नहीं किसी की बेबी मंकी, तो उसने क्या किया? बेबी मंकी ने स्टार्ट कर दिया डांस, और वो वहीं पे नाच रहा था बड़े लॉक पे, जहाँ पे वो बहुत सा बड़ा कट था, वहाँ पे एक वेज रखा था वुड ऑफ पीस. His mother shouted, "Get down now, it's dangerous." उसकी मम्मा ने उसको डांटा थोड़ा सा कि नीचे आओ, वो बहुत डेंजरस है. Come down. The naughty monkey did not listen. पहले मैंने बोला he was very naughty, so उसने तो सुनना ही नहीं था, वो तो सुन ही नहीं रहा था. He danced and he sang. He danced and he sang. डांस करके वो गाना भी गा रहा था. ची ची वी वी, just look at me, I am a clever monkey. What happened when the men sat down to eat, and later what happened? They went to sleep, and some monkeys came there, and there was only one baby monkey who was very naughty. He began to run to the log and jumped over it. When his mother stopped him, he did not listen and also pulled the. Now what happened? The baby monkey saw the wedge. Wedge means a piece of a wood. He pulled it. उसने उसको खींच लिया. The wedge came out. And what happened? There was a loud snap. Now, dear children, now there was a loud snap. Snap means what, dear children? Sudden loud sound. The monkey's tail got caught. अब इसमें क्या हो गया था? ये डीप कट है ना डियर चिल्ड्रन, ये डीप कट में क्या हो गया? वो तो वो वेज निकल गया, पर क्या हुआ? जो बेबी मंकी की पूंछ उसमें लटक गई और वो तो निकल नहीं पा रही थी. Shrinked the little monkey. Children, shrink means what? To make a loud high cry. बहुत जोर से रोने लग गया. The man woke up. अब इसकी आवाज से क्या हुआ? वो जो सोए थे, two men woke up. Now dear children, the wedge came out. What happened then? Then monkey's tail that got caught into it, and he cried with पेन, लाउड पेन, बहुत जोरों से दर्द हो रहा था उसका. Now dear children, this is a very short story, but the moral in the story is that to obey and follow the orders of your parents, otherwise you will be in trouble in some cases. आपने अपने जो बड़े कहते हैं आपको, उसको उनको अपना सुनना है आपको. उसके यदि आप नहीं सुनते हो तो क्या होता है कि हम कभी कभी बहुत ट्रबल में आ जाते हैं. देन व्हाट हैपन? ऑलवेज लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स, लिसन एंड ओबे द ऑर्डर ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, योर टीचर्स. Dear children, this is an exercise for you. Okay, now answer these questions. Now we are going to tell you how to write in CW copy. But dear children, this is question number 2. Mark the sentences true or false. True means sahi and false means galat. Correct the false sentences and write them in your notebook. मैंने आपको यहाँ पे लिख देना है, but you have to write in your RNB copy, revision copy. Okay. Now first is the old monkey was naughty. The old monkey was naughty or baby monkey was naughty. So it's a false. Right here FALSE, false. 3 men were cutting the wood. 3 men were there? No. 2 men were there. So it's a again false. FALSE, false. The log of wood was quite small. No, it was very big in the story. So it is also a false sentence. FALSE, false. The monkey did not listen to his mother. Very correct. He is not listening his mother in the story. He was jumping here and there. Okay. So it's a true. TRUE, true. The monkey jumped up on the log. Yes. So it's a true sentence. Okay, dear children. Now come on this question, working with words. Find words in the story beginning with. आपने अभी क्या करना है, जितने भी M से वर्ड आते हैं वो आपने इस रो में लिखने हैं, W से आते हैं वो इस रो में लिखने हैं, S से आते तो इस रो में, P in this row and from the D letter in this row. Okay, complete this work. Okay, and send it to me for checking. Now again you have to now do this. Which is the longest word that you found? आपने इन जो वर्ड से, जो लेटर्स से वर्ड बन रहा है, सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट वर्ड आपको कौन सा मिल रहा है वो आपने यहाँ पे लास्ट में लिखना है. ओके डियर चिल्ड्रेन, थैंक यू डियर चिल्ड्रेन, बाय.